Hello, everybody, and welcome to our autism endorsement. I'm really excited to be working with the students that have already been in the endorsement for a semester and excited to meet new people as well. I wanted to reach out and let you know that I've tried to come up with some ways that I could be available to you since everything that I'm teaching now is totally online. And what I've decided to do is to make myself available to you whenever it is I think you will be available. In our program, I know that you are in class most of the day, and so what I'm going to do is be available to you at 6 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock, and then again around the lunch hour from 11:30 to 12:30 on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can see over here on the syllabus that's going to be attached in the email that I'm sending to you is that you can reach me through Google Hangouts, through Skype. My username is rtaylor6_2. Of course, you can call me or send me a text and email me anytime. I'm pretty good to check my email every few hours or at least once a day, but every once in a while I might get busy or we might have some kind of basketball tournament that's going on. And so if you'll just give me 24 hours, I'll reach back, and I always want you to feel comfortable in reaching out to me. I welcome your texts and your phone calls and any other way that you want to reach out. I want to hear about what's going on, what you've seen out in the field. I want to know if you've got any frustrations or concerns about any of the assignments. So just keep communicating with me because I think that's going to be what makes this course successful. If if on your syllabus you're curious, of course, about what in the world do we have to do to get out of the course, we've got probably 5 or 6 assignments, 6 I think in all. The first one, of course, is to do all the reading, but the second one says the guided reading assignment, and I set this up to try to help you get through the textbook. We really do have a textbook, and it's a very good textbook. It's full of lots of information, but again, it's a textbook, so it's kind of dry. So I've created these reading guides that I think will give you purpose as you read through the chapter and things to read for. So I'm going to give you credit for doing the reading for the course, and that equates to about 14 of these reading guides. They count 5 points apiece for a total of 70 points, and they're due the week that you do the reading guide. I view our courses beginning on Monday at 8 o'clock in the morning and ending the following Sunday at 11:59. So that gives you a good long week to get that done. I don't mind if you work with other people. You'll be with many of the people in this class throughout the day. So if y'all want to get together and work on this, that's fine. But I still need to have it turned in as an individual. And the next assignment is this Autism 101, and it's just a really great website that kind of gives you an overview of what autism is. It doesn't take very long, probably less than an hour, but I think it's worthwhile information. So I'd like for you to watch it, and then you'll be granted a certificate. I'd like for you to sign the certificate, turn it into our Dropbox, and you'll get credit for that, 30 points. So that's an easy 30 points. In the class, we have 8 discussions, so that's a discussion every week, and it begins on week 2. In Brightspace, there's a rubric for what I expect the quality of your discussion to be. So look at that, and of course, if you want to talk about it, call me or text or whatever, and I'll try to explain it if you have any questions. But it's more than just recalling information, it's actually thinking about it and kind of swishing it around in your own brain to discuss it. The 5th assignment, it's your poster presentation. It's a major course assignment, and I am just so excited to be a part of this and to have you be a part of it. As you know, I'm on the 2 different committees for the Northwest Georgia Healthcare Partnership, and we're so fortunate to have this new center being built in Dalton, Georgia. They're going to be hosting a conference Friday, October the 19th from 8:30 to 4 o'clock, and we're expecting close to 350 people to attend. So at the conference, there will be practitioners, there will be medical personnel, there will be individuals with disabilities, parents, and us. We're going to be presenting poster presentations at this conference. And so what we'll do is we'll develop a proposal. Everyone will do that individually, and you'll submit the proposal at this link. You're going to also have to register for the conference, and that's at this link. And the cost of that is about $25, but I'm doing everything I can to get some funding. And so as soon as I know that, I will let you know. But right now, it's going to be $25 for us to attend this conference. But I'm really excited. Your proposal should be based on anything that would help a parent, help a teacher, anything that would be beneficial for the attendees to come and look at your presentation and talk to you about it. I'm really excited that we were given this opportunity, and I know you're going to do a great job. The last assignment is your critical assignment, and it's your case study, and it's a presentation. So what you'll do is you'll identify a kid that has autism, and you're going to be working in the field with quite a few, and you're going to select 3 people that know that child. It'd be great if you could talk to the parent, but sometimes I know that's hard to do. But certainly the teacher, the parapro, the behavior interventionist, anybody that knows the kid. And I'd like for you to talk to them about the educational programming for this student. I would like for you to develop the questions and let me look at them first before you go and ask the interviewees. But I'd like for you to assure them that you're not going to be using any real names or real places or anything. And I'd like to see your questions first. So we're going to have 3 themes in this one assignment, and it's about educational placement, it's about the social level of the kid, and then it's about any behavioral concerns. And as you're developing your questions, I want you also to look up some recent articles that are related to these themes. It wouldn't be difficult to find one article that was related to all 3 themes. But anyway, I'd like for you to find 2 articles, and once you read them, you've read the information in our course, you're thinking about, what do I want to ask these people so that I better understand the educational programming, the plan, what's going on with this kid in the school. You'll have a much more solid, concrete, valuable project. And so you'll interview those 3 people. You'll take the information from them. You'll think about the articles that you've read, and you'll blend all that together. You'll support interview comments from things that you've read in the article and vice versa. That then becomes the report or the case study, and it's not going to be terribly long. It's about 5 pages, maybe 6 pages, and 1 page is a cover page and 1 page is your reference page. But I know several of you really like things spelled out, exactly how it should be. So I've tried to be as specific here on page 5 of your syllabus as I can. So it breaks down to the cover page should be 1 page, and then an explanation, which would include how you welcomed the students, would be another page, and so forth and so on. You can read that. As you look down, you'll see that we're going to also share this information with one another, so it's going to be a great learning opportunity for all of us. Here's a breakdown of all the grades in the class. Again, you've got your case study, which is due at the end. You've got your guided reading, which is due weekly. You've got that Autism 101 that you could do tonight if you wanted to. You've got discussion posts that are due every other week, beginning with the 2nd week. And we have that conference proposal, the registration for the conference, and you have a midterm and a final. The midterm and the final have restricted dates because I didn't want anybody jumping ahead and taking the midterm before you'd actually read half the book. So we'll take the midterm around week 8 and the final around the last week. I think it's December 4th is the week for finals, that last week. I'm really excited about the course. I look forward to working with each of you, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I'm really excited and look forward to knowing each of you and working with you. Y'all have a great night.